In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept manual payments on a Wix website. If you want to give your customers the option to pay offline instead of using an online payment gateway, Wix makes that possible through manual payment methods. This can be useful if you accept cash payments, bank transfers, checks, or payment on delivery. The setup is simple, and in this tutorial, I will walk you through exactly how to enable it from your Wix dashboard. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your site settings, store features, and payment options. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section contains the main controls for how your website operates, including checkout and payment preferences. After that, select Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the different ways customers can pay you. You may already see online payment providers listed here. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the manual payment option. Scroll down until you find the manual payments section and then click Connect. This opens the setup for adding an offline payment method to your checkout. Manual payments are especially helpful if you want to confirm payment outside the website or if your business handles certain transactions in person. Next, click the drop-down menu and choose the payment title that best matches how you want customers to pay. Your options include cash payment, offline payment, or cash on delivery, also known as COD. Choose the one that most clearly describes the payment method, so customers understand what to expect when they place their order. Once you've selected the title, you will see a text box where you can add specific instructions. This part is very important because it tells customers exactly what they need to do after checkout. For example, you might explain where payment should be made upon delivery, or provide general guidance for completing the transaction offline. Make sure your instructions are clear, simple, and easy to follow, so here is no confusion after the order is submitted. When everything looks good, click Connect to finalize the setup. At that point, the manual payment option will be added to your Wix checkout and customers will be able to choose it during the payment process. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.